Hey friends, do you want to grow your Telegram channel? If yes, then this video is very helpful to you. So friends, Apcommunity is here. We are announcing our new project cross-promotion bot. By using this bot you can contact with other creators or channel admins having similar subscribers or categories in Telegram. This bot is in developing phase. And we are opening registration for 200 channels. If your Telegram channel have more than 100 subscribers, then it's a chance to add it in the bot. First, join our Telegram channel Apcommunity. There you found an announcement post and further updates. Read this post carefully, and open the link. After reading this whole instructions, type your Telegram username and select your channel type. Then after send your Telegram channel link or username. Now write your channel category like movie, education, any other category. Then write current subscriber of your channel. And select range relative to your subscriber. Please write genuine details, otherwise it's not applicable. We verify all details before adding into our bot. At last you need to write your contact details, either Telegram username or email. From this details other user will contact you for cross promotion. Then submit your response. Congratulations, your channel will be added in cross promotion bot. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.